So yeah, I've got these 3 divided partitions within one big ass freezer bag, and now we're gonna use this vacuum sealer thing to basically suck out all the extra air and then seal it so that it's safe to store in the freezer. The reason I physically separated these sections as so is if I'm cooking, say, a breakfast for 2 and I do 3 sausage links per person, I can just cut off that part of the bag and then seal the rest of the bag up for later. You'll see in a sec. Snap these in place, hit the vacuum button. Slowly but surely. I might time-lapse this section of the video later if I'm actually not lazy enough. Alright, I'm just gonna double check the bag real fast. I don't think it was aligned all the way because it's sucking weird. Alright, let's try it again. Okay, there we go. Yep, much faster. And when you start to hear the pitch, the tone of the vacuum sealer sort of drop in tone and intonation, that's when you know it's pretty near sealed. And I just hit the vacuum and seal button, and you can't really see on the camera, but there was this blinking red light. Every vacuum sealer product feature is different, but as you can see here, this thing is pretty much sealed. There's like this hot, melted down line. And now this bag is ready to throw in our dead body freezer.